everyone, welcome aboard the course HMEC5433. I'm Dr. Harvinder Kaur, and in this video, I'll be briefly explaining the course and its benefits to you. This is an academic writing course. Academic writing is the kind of writing used in academic matters. Being formal in nature, it adopts the principles of reporting and verifying facts. In this course, you learn to distinguish between academic and non-academic writing, identify credible and reliable sources, use the APA style 7th edition to cite and reference sources, cite, acknowledge the sources and the authors that you'll be mentioning in your project paper. Cite, use citation techniques to prevent plagiarism, compose and organize your chapter 1, compose and organize your chapter 2. How will this course benefit you? You would not have to sit for any exam, as it adopts the 100% coursework nature. As it would lay the foundation for your project paper, you'd be able to write chapters 1 and 2 of your project paper by the time you enroll on your research methodology course. You would refrain from using non-academic expressions when writing a project paper. You'd be able to avoid plagiarism by becoming an ethical researcher. You will not feel lonely anymore. You will meet fellow master's students with struggles similar to yours. Besides that, to facilitate your understanding of the course, we have uploaded various e-lessons, video lectures, the study guide, and other supplementary materials on your online learning platform, MyInspire. In addition to that, you would be given virtual tutorials, or we call it e-tutorials, an hour a week for 10 weeks. With this, HMEC5433 would not be a tough nut to crack anymore. Remember, you can ace this course with your continued focus, devotion and dedication. Never give up. Good luck, and we hope to meet you in your classes soon.